Hello boys and girls of the internet. So you're here because you want to learn how to properly fry an egg. Alright, so first thing I want to say is it's not about really a technique, it's about equipment. So the first thing you're going to need to properly fry an egg is a small nonstick pan with a glass lid. Okay, this is the most easy, efficient, best way to do it. Alright, trust me. Alright, so once you got that, we'll go on to egg cracking school. Stay tuned. So here's an egg, and your mission is to break this egg, get it out of the shell, and get it into a container or a frying pan or whatever, while keeping the egg yolk whole and while keeping eggshells out of the egg. So how do you do this? Well, most of you think that you take a little bowl or something and you smash the egg on the rim of the bowl. That is incorrect. If you crack an egg on the edge of a bowl, what you're going to do is push eggshell into the egg. The proper way to crack an egg is to do it on a flat surface. This way you don't get any shells in your egg. Alright, like this. Give it a good whack and then pull. We'll do that again. Give it a good whack, couple of whacks. Now some of you see this little crack here and you want to dig your thumbs into it. The proper way to do it is you actually pull, okay? Pull this way and pull this way. And actually pull the shell apart. See? That way no eggshells go into the egg. Now you'll notice something else that's peculiar. There's not two parts to the egg, but there's actually three. Okay, we have the egg white around the outside, we have the yolk, and then we actually have a sac of egg white around the egg. Okay, that's called the membrane. Alright, so if you can see it here, that's the membrane. You actually have to break this membrane. Okay, you can do it while the egg is in a bowl like this, or you can do it when you put the egg in a pan, as I'll show you. By breaking that membrane, when you put the egg into a pan, the white actually spreads flat. If you don't do that, the egg whites will actually bubble up over the yolk, and you'll end up with one side of the egg white overcooked and the other side of the egg white undercooked. Alright, so get your pan hot, but then turn the heat down to medium. Okay, this is not omelets, this will be in another video, this is fried eggs. I'm going to show you sunny side up, and I will also show you over easy. Okay, so pan is really nice and hot. Now, even though this pan is a non-stick pan, I always add just a little tiny bit of oil. Okay, just like that, just like a little teaspoon of oil. I'm going to tap my egg on a flat surface. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fork and break that membrane. Not the yolk, but the membrane. Okay, that's going to make the egg white flat. Then I'm going to take my lid and I'm going to cover it. Okay, this will speed up the cooking process. Now the reason that you want a glass lid is so you can see what's happening over there. Sunny side up, and remember you want this at medium heat, you don't want this too hot. Okay, you want the egg to cook evenly. So now I can see that the white over the egg is turning a little white. Okay, and there we go, sunny side up. So now we can see that the egg white is cooked completely evenly. If we flip this over, we'll see that the bottom of the egg is not burnt. It's really nice and crispy with a little tiny bit of browning. Okay, and the yolk is completely soft. Okay, so we can break that yolk. And there you go, that's sunny side up. Okay, so normally for over easy, we have to flip the egg over. Now in this method, because you're using a lid in a pan, you actually won't have to turn it over. We'll do the same thing that we did on the last one. So we get the pan nice and hot, and then we turn it down to medium heat. Okay, we add a little tiny drop of oil. And we drop our egg into the oil. Okay, you quickly break that membrane and you put a lid on it. Now we're just going to wait till that little bit of egg white that's on top of the yolk turns white, and that'll be it. Eggs over easy. It's actually eggs easy because you don't have to flip it over. Okay, now we can see through that glass lid that the egg is now over easy, so we turn the heat off. Slide it off the pan. And look at this. We have eggs over easy without flipping it over. Okay, we have the bottom of our egg is nice and browned. It is not burnt. We have the egg white cooked evenly, and then we still have our nice runny egg yolk. Alright guys, so I hope this makes your egg cooking experience a little bit easier. I'm always trying to find new ways to teach people how to cook that's easy and efficient and fun. So here you go, now you know how to make perfect sunny side up eggs and perfect eggs over easy. Thank you very much for watching my channel. If you guys want to contribute back to me, I spend a lot of time making these videos and I want to spend even more time making these videos for you. So if you could subscribe to the channel and give it a like, that would be greatly appreciated.